tub got fixed after over a year of it. Me not realizing how much water was being lost. I just replaced a spaghetti jar of water because after that, now the hot water furnace, something blew the pressure valve or something, and now it's just leaking and leaking onto the floor. So I was like, if that gets so wet, is it gonna like make that fall through because it's so heavy? So I was like, I better put something in there to catch all the water that is flowing out of that. Right there. So that it doesn't soak that plywood board so bad that it makes that thing fall right through. But it's filling up really fast. And they said they had to wait till Monday to replace the water heater. They had already fixed the leaky faucet tub, and then this is what happened. So, I was gonna get a credit on my water bill, but I guess it's gonna have to it's still happening, so, and it's June 20th. They fixed it a few days ago. Anyway, it's still leaking. And that's how fast it's filling up.